Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat and welcome to our Tuesday Atomy of Marinduque Global Center. So before we start, let's do the company motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go! Cherish the
Cherish
Cherish
spirit,
spirit.
create the vision,
Create the
follow the faith,
vision. Follow the
serve in
faith.
humility.
Serve in
Acha!
humility.
Acha! Acha!
Acha!
Ayan. Thank you po sa isang napakasiglang energy. So sa ngayon pa lang po nagjo-join sa ating Zoom at ngayon lang narinig ang company motto. Ang Atomy po ay hindi kulto, but this is the guiding principle na fina-follow ng company. So yung yung demonstration is cherish the spirit, create the vision, itataas ang kamay, follow the faith, serve in humility, itataas ang kamay ulit. And then aja means let's go, let's go, let's go. So yan po yung ibig sabihin ng company motto. So sana po next time maka-join kayo sa ating company motto. Okay, primary topic natin today is about Atomy as a gift. Atomy is a gift. And I will be your host, Diamond Master Relim Pilapil Minorca, Center Education Officer po ng Marinduque Global Center. And my account from Atomy is from Atomy America ng Atomy Atlanta Center. Main topic natin today is the company introduction, Atomy as a gift, gifting ideas, how to share Atomy in your daily lives, gift wrapping challenge, and then we have some changes about the semi-sales mastership promotion and changes announcements. And at the end, not via Facebook Live, we'll have a Q&A and sharing. Paulit-ulit man, please watch and learn about the company profile. So take down notes. Kung may question po, please send me an email or a message via the Facebook.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global multi-level marketing company with a presence across the globe, surpassing 2.2 trillion Korean won in global sales and with a global membership of 15 million. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices. Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. With 19 international patents for a single product, it is forging a unique history in the realm of health functional foods. Absolute Skincare, which has become one of the best-selling cosmetics in the industry with sales of 100 billion Korean won every year since its launch. Absolute Skincare received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office in 2021 for the first time in the cosmetics industry, and was selected as world-class product for next generation selected by Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy in 2022. Atomy practices customer-centered management in all its business activities. And such efforts were recognized by the acquisition of Customer-Centered Management Certification for 3 consecutive years, which is a unique accomplishment in the industry. Starting with the U.S. branch in 2010, Atomy is a global company that opened 26 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, Europe, etc., with 15 million members worldwide. In 2023, Atomy opened its EU branch and has plans for global expansion with a focus on Africa, Latin America, and emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomy's Success System, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual ability. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. As the next generation broadcasting system bridging online and offline realms, the Success Seminar manifests Atomy's vision for members worldwide. It presents a vision of global success that transcends time and space by merging business and culture. The ACTS project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower our active members around the world. Atomy is dedicated to providing full support for fostering global business activities. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. Atomy strives to minimize its environmental impact across all business activities. Through policies like transitioning products to zero plastic and introducing eco-friendly smart packaging solutions with the goal of becoming a global eco-friendly leader. Sharing is a mission that all companies must fulfill. As a result of its consistent annual giving for the last 3 years, Atomy has secured the #1 rank in the distribution industry for donations as a percentage of revenue among the top 500 companies in the country. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Great Place to Work, Korea. Atomy's executives, employees, partnering companies, and members all practice sharing together to improve the lives of all members of society. Whenever sharing is needed around the world, global branches will be united to support happiness for all. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are proud Atomy.
Proud Atomy. So, sa mga baguhan po, napakaganda ng ating company profile. So, matatagpuan niyo yan sa ating channel Atomy. Meron din sa YouTube kasi yung mga ibang countries, iba-ibang countries, may kanya-kanyang YouTube channel. Ganun din ang Atomy Philippines, Atomy America, Atomy Japan, Atomy Oceania. So, make sure hanapin yan sa ating channel Atomy. We have a lot of resources. Okay. Sa mga nakikinig, ihanda ang inyong notebook. Ayan, dapat laging may notebook. Okay, unang tanong, where do you shop? Ayan, magki-Christmas na. So, namili na po ba kayo ng inyong mga regalo? Saan kayo namili? Ang tanong. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Kasi ang Atomy po is an online shopping mall. Oh yes, it is a business. We are not competing with other MLM companies, but we are competing with mga warehouses, yung mga yung TB shopping na very discounted at saka yung mga discounted stores. Yun ang kinukumpit talaga natin. But, ang tanong, sa pamamili nyo sa ibang tindahan, binayaran na ba kayo? Or have you received any cashback? Siguro, at most dito sa Amerika, pag namimili ako, makakakuha ko ng $5 coupon if you purchase $50, something like that. Pero hindi on a consistent basis. So sana sa pamimili nyo sa iba-ibang company ng mga products na ginagamit nyo on a daily basis, sana makita nyo na ang Atomy is simple lang na pag-switch ng brand to Atomy. Wala ka naman talagang iibahin, kundi yung the way you shop and yung brand na ginagamit nyo. Yun lang. So instead na mamili sa ibang tindahan, why not buy on the Atomy online shopping mall? At kung binigyan kayo ng sponsor nyo ng isang Atomy access or global ID access na Atomy, well, magpasalamat kasi we're so lucky na i-connect tayo ng ating sponsor sa Atomy. So I'm so grateful sa aking sponsor na may access na ako sa Atomy. To all the Filipino overseas contract worker, yung mga nasa ibang bansa, nagpadala na ba kayo ng balikbayan box sa Pilipinas? Ayan, gaano ba kayo kalimit magpadala ng balikbayan box? Ako siguro mga once every 2 or 3 years at that time. Pero each time I send, I have to pay $80 or way back in 2003, 2005, siguro mga $45 at that time. Pero as of today, I have to pay $80 kung magpapadala ako ng isang balikbayan box. So at this time, kung magsisend ako ng isang balikbayan box, I'd rather use the $80 to buy online sa ating Atomy mobile app para ipadala ang mga daily necessities na kailangan ng pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. Mas madali. So instead of paying for a fee, yung $80, gagamitin ko na para ibili ng mga products na gagamitin nila sa bahay. Okay. The Atomy Online Shopping Mall offers daily necessities or ano bang isang term sa daily necessities? Pang-araw-araw na ginagamit simula sa kwarto, sa bathroom, sa laundry area, sa kitchen, or sa living room. So ikaw, pag tinanong kita, anong favorite part mo ng bahay? And kung may titingnan ka ngayon sa iyong bahay, aling product yung huli mong binili sa tindahan? Okay, baka naman meron sa Atomy Online Shopping Mall, hindi mo lang alam. So, have you counted the products that you have used in the past? Gaano ng karami? Okay? So, madali lang si Atomy. Kasi si Coach Jung nga sasabihin niya, binayaran ka na ba habang nagtutoothbrush ka? So, kung 47 years old ka na, like me, aba, simula 2020, binabayaran na ako ni Atomy just by using the Atomy toothpaste. O, diba? So, sana kayo din in the future, makita niyo yung opportunity na yan. In the Philippines, we have less than about 100 products. So, alamin kung anong meron dyan. Napakaganda ng lahat ng produkto natin. So, ano nang favorite Atomy products mo kung na-try mo? Please comment sa mga nanonood sa Facebook. Participate if you want. Okay? Ang ating strategy to make sure na napakaganda ng produkto ng Atomy is yung tinatawag na Mastige and yung absolute quality, absolute price. So, ano yung Mastige? So, prestigious product pero mass production. Kaya mura nating naihahatid sa ating mga membro. Isa pa is yung global sourcing, global sales. So, the company will find the best product sa ibang bansa, kung sino man yung the best na manufacturer for a particular product. And then, yun yung exclusive product na i-distribute natin sa ating company. And Atomy follows the principle of absolute quality, absolute price. So sabi ni Star Master Dina Lee ng Philippines, presyon divisoria pero kalidad glorieta. Okay, I would always say that Atomy is a very luxurious brand. So yung iba siguro hindi pa nakakaranas na makagamit ng luxurious brand kasi nga sobrang mahal, 'di ba? Usually kapag mahal, okay, maganda ang kalidad. Yun namang sobrang mura, pangit din ang kalidad. But ang Atomy, hindi makakapasok ang mga products na nasa online shopping mall kung hindi maganda ang kalidad at mababa ang presyo. So magpasalamat tayo sa Atomy kasi we have that chance of getting those exclusive products para sa Atomian members. Ang number one flagship product natin is Himuhim. So, ikaw to, no? Nag-share ka ng himuhim sa kaibigan mo. First time na marinig, syempre lahat ng tao na interesado, anong unang-unang ginagawa? Google. So, sa Google may nabasa na isang article pangit about the Himuhim, hindi na nag-join or hindi na nag-member kasi pangit yung review na nandun sa Google. But that's a false information, okay? Make sure na alamin kung ano talaga ang Himuhim kasi milyon-milyon pong tao nagtitake ng Himuhim. It's a safe functional food supplement. And for the last 9 years, sobra, milyon ng tao ang nag-take nito. Wala naman talagang masamang effect kasi before we distribute this or yung Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute na responsible sa research and development, inalis na nila talaga yung lahat ng toxins na pwedeng makaapekto sa isang tao while taking this. Kasi this is primarily given to those scientists na mababa ang immune system kasi they were exposed in radiation and chemotherapy. So prior to Atomy, ang isang box na may 30 sachet would cost about $770. But we are so lucky na very affordable na at this time. It's just a tenth of a price, I think. Okay. So, make sure you try Himuhim. Sa mga hindi pa nagtitake, take your Himuhim. It is recommended to take 2 times a day. Okay. Pero sa akin, sapat na yung once a day. Sobrang energy and boosting of immune system binibigay. But of course, if you have comorbidities or may mga ibang sakit, make sure you check with your doctor as well. Okay? Others products na meron tayo is mga supplements. So, bawat parte yata ng katawan natin, kung may problema ka, baka hindi mo lang alam yung maintenance mo or yung mga dietary supplements na piniprescribe sa iyo ng doktor is meron tayo sa Atomy. What's nice is walang synthetic component, lahat halos is plant-based and healthy. So parang kumakain ka lang ng prutas or gulay in a concentrated basis. And ang mas maganda is lahat pinag-aralan at may research. So alam mo na effective and functional. Hindi pangbuto lang but there's an added function. Kaya sinasabing functional. We also have different beauty products. Okay. I heard somebody just transferred to another multi-level network marketing company about beauty products. I really don't mind kasi yun yung gusto nila. But I can only say na napakaganda ng produkto ng Atomy, especially the Absolute Skincare Set. Sabi nila mahal? Of course, hindi po kasi kumpara sa kalidad na ino-offer ng Atomy sa patent na meron tayo, sobrang mura na nitong Absolute Skincare Set. This is the only beauty product in the whole wide world na merong quadruple crown award. Okay? May New Excellent Product Certification, may IR52 Jiangyang Shield Award, may King Sejong Award na nakipag-compete sa different technologies and patents ng ibang technology. O, di ba? Patented technology. Tama. Oh, 'di ba? Natalo nung beauty product yung patent na yung technology ng cellphone, ng cars, ng iba. That's how great this product. And recently we have the Next Generation Award in 2022. So, it's not only anti-aging but the aging. So, kung ayaw niyong tumanda or gusto niyong itigil yung pagtanda ng face niyo, hayan, gamitin si Absolute. Nung una, hindi ko rin siya binili kasi feeling ko mahal. But in all honesty, nung na-experience ko na siya, sobrang ganda talaga niya. And I can't kumpara dun sa previous brand na ginagamit ko. Ano talaga, sobrang ganda niya. And we have different beauty products na meron sa ating online shopping mall. So alamin lang kung anong concern talaga ng face nyo. Kung prone ba kayo sa acne, kung sensitive ba yung skin nyo, maybe you need Dermareal Cica. Kung hindi naman ganun pa kagurangis, bata pa, you can do the Fame. Or kung talagang on tight budget, Hydra Brightening is also good. Walang tulak kabigen. Lahat po ng nakikita nyo dyan sa screen, trinay ko na yan, okay? But I would always recommend this time, Absolute is actually the best. Pero I would rotate my skincare regimen depende po sa condition ng face ko. Okay. So, when you're starting with Atomy, kailangan consumer ka, hindi yung nabigyan ka ng ID and then after that, anong ginawa sa ID? Wala, kinalimutan na yung number, kinalimutan na yung password. Ni hindi man lang bumili ng online shopping mall. Sandali lang ha. Each time magpipresent ako ng Atomy, I get emotional. Pero mag-blow lang po na. I think I forgot, hindi pa ako nag-vitamin C. Okay, ayan. So, kailangan, kung may member ID, may password, make sure mag-login sa website at alamin ko ano mga products na ginagamit sa bahay ang pwede mong palitan or pag naubos, kay Atomy na bilhin yung sunod. Once you start loving the products of the Atomy, magiging loyal consumer ka na. So, change the way you shop, change your mart instead na maglakad papunta sa ibang tindahan, online na lang, convenient, i-deliver po sa inyo. Or kung may malapit na center, sa inyong komunidad, ipa-deliver sa center. Make sure na affiliated kayo sa center na yon para ma-enjoy nyo yung free shipping to that particular center. Kaya maswerte yung mga nakatira na malapit sa center. That's only a unique opportunity para sa Filipinos. Kasi dito sa amin, sa Amerika, walang ganon. We have to purchase at least a minimum of $150 para maka-avail namin yung free shipping. Okay? So, napakaswerte ng mga Pilipino na merong ganyang oportunidad. And of course, kapag loyal consumer ka na, you start sharing this to your loved ones and to your family, you can start receiving a commission. O, diba? Pag may nagustuhan kang restaurant, you would recommend it to your friends. Kapag may nagustuhan ka na movie, you would suggest that to your friends as well. Pero binayaran ka ba? Just making those recommendation. Di ba hindi? But in Atomy, as you make the recommendation and as you activate them as a consumer as well, you will get paid. Ayan. Kaya kung bago at nagsisimula, once na nagustuhan mo at na love mo ang product ni Atomy, make sure you do it in the first month, 2 months, baka minsan in the first 3 months, you can be a sales master if you're crazy about those products. Ayan, so naghahanap ako ng mga seryosong business partner na gagawin si Atomy. Gagawin at gagamitin si Atomy. Actually, madali lang si Atomy. You just use the products, okay? So, change your mark, change your brand, and then definitely change for gold. Bakit ko sinabing change for gold? Dapat change for blue and white. Dapat lahat ng products mo dyan sa Atomy, blue and white kasi yung official color ng Atomy. Change for gold because gold is money. And sa iba, hindi pa nakikita yung oportunidad na yon with Atomy. But sana, through this presentation, we will not have a detailed marketing plan. But sana makita nyo yung opportunities, okay? Why do I love December? Because it's gift giving. And kahit namimigay ako ng gifts all around the globe, it's okay kasi bumabalik siya. So, anong benefits kapag Atomy products yung ipamigay mo? Well, it's a great opportunity for your friends and loved ones to experience the Atomy products, okay? Kasi hindi siya nakakahiyang irigalo. Napakaganda niya, okay? And kung hindi man gamitin ng friend mo, sobrang mura niya. So it actually would save you money kasi lahat very affordable. And then it's also a time for them to enjoy this luxurious brand at a very reasonable price. Okay? Very reasonable sa quality na ino-offer natin. And if you think of your friends, as you give the Atomy, ma-appreciate nila yung time and caring mo na binigay mo para ma-enjoy nila ang Atomy. And as a member or as a business partner, you earn point value while spending your money. So, point value in Atomy equals money. Okay? Kasi habang bumibili ka ng products, sa iyong online shopping mall, you get a personal point value. And habang nag-share ka sa iba, they will earn their own personal point value and then you will earn a group point value. Dun pumapasok yung income. So yung personal point value, the higher your points, the higher your qualification for an income. And the higher the group point value is the higher the income. O, diba? Napakaganda. So, may mga requirements to do that, but it would be easy once naintindihan nyo na kung paano mag-commission kay Atomy. Okay. Make sure when you're buying products, of course, buying products in Atomy, i-compare din kasi it's just a common sense. Kung ayaw mo ng produkto ni Atomy, hindi ka po namin pinipilit. You can stick with your brand. But I would say, sa ibang product, they may have a good deal, pero you have to spend, let's say for this brand, I have to spend up to $42 before I can get that price. But in Atomy, you can get Atomy Rose Rain Mist for only $450. And bakit mas gusto ko si Atomy Rose Rain Mist? Kasi 3-in-1. May may toner ka na, may essence, and then may nutrition cream ka na all in one. And then you can use it for your face, for your hair, and for your entire body. So, napakaganda. And plant-based, walang chemical. So, why not? Okay? Let's say if you're buying a laundry detergent, I know this price is in America. If you're buying laundry detergent, make sure you compare it per load. Okay? Napakaganda po ng fabric detergent ng Atomy. Ayan. Dati, ito po yung huling-huling brand na iswinitch ko sa Atomy. Imagine, huling-huli. Pinakahuli na. Parang on the third year na nung naggamit ako ng Atomy. Kasi dito sa amin, bulk buying sa mga warehouses. So, ang tagal bago maubos. But when I finally use this particular fabric detergent, my God, I was amazed na sobrang ang daling luminis. Parang ibabad mo lang tapos kanaw-kanawin mo lang yung tubig, malinis na siya, 'di ba? But then, even if malimutan mo siya nabasa in 3 or 5 days, hindi po talaga siya nangangamoy. So, it's just for you to find out kung talagang totoo yung sinasabi ko. But it's true. Lagi kong nakakalimutan na basa yung damit. Usually, i-rewash ko yun or lalagyan ng fabric detergent. But with Atomy, I just have to dry it at mabango pa rin siya. Laging fresh, okay? This is some of the prices na available dyan sa Philippines na isinan ng aking kaibigan, of course. So you can compare. Our fabric detergent is highly concentrated, okay? Make sure you follow po yung kung paano gamitin kasi ginawa ng mga scientists, no? So, merong specific instruction on how much water and how much fabric detergent you should be using. Kasi sa iba, ang laki-laki nung pang scoop ng fabric detergent. But with Atomy, sobrang maliit lang yung ating parang isang kutsara lang because it's highly concentrated. And it can actually wash up to 230 loads kung 5 kilogram yung labada mo. Okay? Madaling ma-dissolve sa tubig, walang residue, and it is plant-based, so hindi nakaka-dry ng kamay. Ayan. And ang isa pa is, we have the excellent grade from Dermatest. This is a world-renowned German Dermatest certification na ibig sabihin yung mga toxins or yung mga irritants na meron sa product na ito, inalis na para hindi kayo magkaroon ng allergic reaction or hindi ma-irritate yung skin nyo. Okay? So, isa lang yan sa product na gusto kong i-feature dito sa ating presentation today. Kasi ibig sabihin, naglaba ako kahapon. Kaya naalala ko na, why not present the fabric detergent. And then kung i-compute nyo po, kasi yung presyo niya is sobrang mura. Itong 2.8 kilograms po, umaabot lang less than 3 pesos kada laba. So, napakamura, no? Hindi lang kayo siguro sanay na mamili ng ganyang karami. Actually, yung isang bag parang isang taon ko na yatang ginagamit, hindi pa siya maubos. Sobrang tipid. Okay? Ano-ano pong mga products sa Atomy na pwede nating ipamigay ngayong Pasko? Wow! Okay. Nung nagsisimula ako, first time kong i-share si Atomy sa aking mga katrabaho, ang pinamigay ko yung toothbrush and yung big toothpaste. Kasi hindi ko po alam na may toothpaste pala na maliit. Hindi ako nag-browse ng website. Nagustuhan ko lang yung toothpaste na napakaganda kasi wala talagang panis na laway sa umaga. So I start sharing them. Pero this time, I like to share this oral care set kasi isang set na siya. Tapos ang ganda ng casing. So sa mahilig mag-travel, pwede nyo ipangregalo yung oral care set. It comes in 4 pieces. So, 4 na kaibigan nyo yung pwede nyong regaluhan ng toothpaste. And then, another thing is, I would recommend for you to buy, lalo na kung baguhan ka, the 4 pieces of the small toothpaste plus yung 8 pieces ng toothbrush. And then, ipares lang. So, 2 box nung maliit na toothpaste plus 8 piraso ng toothpaste. Napakaganda ng packaging. Maganda yung ating toothbrush kasi antimicrobial. May gold coated. So, kahit iwan mo siya sa humid place, hindi siya magiging moldy. May self-cleaning ability because of that, antibacterial. Okay. you can also wrap the hand therapy or reset balm like this para ipamigay sa inyong mga kaibigan. And then instead of just buying a regular coffee mug or mga cups, you can add the 3-in-1 coffee or yung Cafe Black Arabica. Okay? Kung may access kayo sa travel kit, of course, you can buy the travel set kit. Divide it into 3 sets, parang herbal shampoo and conditioner, yung isa body lotion at saka cleanser, and then yung isa is deep cleanser and foam cleanser. Then you can actually give them to your 3 sets of friends. O, di ba? Kahit on budget, pwede mo pa rin i-share si Atomy. Of course, Reset Balm itself, napakaganda pang regalo, lalo na doon sa mga may wrinkles at mahilig sa beauty products. Okay, if you find that Himuhim is expensive for you, why not share it to 10 people? So, instead na bigyan mo siya ng isang box kasi that would cost you, is it 5,100 pesos? Then, divide it into 10 and then at least ma-experience na nila six sachet to see how it would affect them. Imagine, it took only one small box for me to share this to SM Ping, and it has changed his life entirely. And I'm so blessed to have found him as a partner and as a family in Atomy. O, di ba? Dati magkaibigan kami, but because of Atomy, mas close na kami ngayon. So sa kanya, ano lagi niyang definition? Him is life. So I'm so grateful. So SM Ping, I hope you're okay there in the Philippines. Okay. I know you keep sharing to me. Ayan. And of course, sa mga nagpapa-house blessing, and then this Christmas time, you can also give yung mga mudras natin, mga nanay, mahilig maglaba, maghugas ng plato. Ayan. What best gift you can give? Siyempre, yung Atomy dishwashing liquid na pwedeng ipanghugas ng fruits and vegetables. O, diba? Saan ka nakatala ng panghugas ng plato, pero pwede mong ipanghugas ng vegetables at saka ng fruits para mas maiwasan pa yung E. coli. Atomy lang yan kasi nga plant-based din siya and mas madaling makalinis. O, yan yung combination. You can just wrap it with plastic. Okay? So, instead of buying somewhere, you can find different ideas sa ating Atomy online shopping mall. So, it's Christmas season. Hindi sa akin tong picture na to. This is from another center. But of course, when I attended their Zoom, nakuha ko yung idea, nga naman, why not support my own online shopping mall? Ganun din naman, dati ibang brand ang binibili ko. Pero this time, I'm just buying all the products from Atomy. Okay, so pro tip on how to wrap your gift. So, for example, you're wrapping the BB cream. Kung ilalagay, alisin nyo sa kahon. Para kunwari, parang marami. Then, pagsamahin, lagyan ng abubot, ng chocolate, or kung ano man. And then, gift them. O, diba? Or, you can do the hand soap, the hand therapy, kung ano mang combination. Makikita nyo din yan sa ibang stores on how they wrap their gifts, diba? O lagyan lang ng accessories or pangsabit sa Christmas tree. O tapos na. Okay? So, I don't normally wrap my gifts but with Atomy, ribbon lang nilalagay ko, tapos na. Okay? How to share Atomy? You can also create tags. Tapos merong mga call to action like scan me, parang ganon. Or for more info, yung mga QR code, or you can do handwritten message kung sino ba gusto ng handwritten message or QR code. So ngayon mga techie na, 'di ba? Itapat mo lang yung camera ng cellphone sa mga tags and then they can find more information. So instead of just saying go to this website, you can incorporate additional information. So depende sa okasyon, you can actually create this. You can personalize your gifts to your friends' needs and to your family's needs. Ano bang mas kailangan nila? Beauty products ba? Health supplement ba? Any other household essentials? Lahat naman siguro naglalaba, nagtututbrush, nagsisipilyo, di ba? So, you can find the answer in Atomy. Most of the time, Atomy is the solution kung ano man ang kailangan nila. So, kung may gusto magpapayat, why not? Bigyan ng kaibigan ng isang cup of tea na may pure tea, o, diba? It's a sleeping tea. Okay, BB cream, o, diba? Favorite ko na yan ngayon. How to hide your blemishes, o, diba? Sa maraming mga peklat and freckles, yan. Napakaganda ng BB cream, o, diba? So, yan lang. And then sa mga center heads, sa mga leaders na nag-ooperate ng business, make sure let me just make another co-host so you can help me mute somebody. Okay. You can wrap your Atomy kung gusto nyo, kung mas preferred nyo yung mag-wrap kasi it's Christmas season. Let's say may bumili ng probiotics and vitamin C, you can wrap them like this before i-deliver sa inyong consumers. Parang makita naman nila na na-appreciate nyo sila as a auto-consumer. Or you can give them extra gifts. So, halimbawa, nag-order ng lipstick, you can add a mask kung may budget. Okay? Kung talagang wala naman, just wrap them with just give them as is and then care for them. Okay, wala pang sumasali sa ating gift wrapping challenge. This challenge has been posted since October, and this challenge would run up to January 8, 2025. So kung nag-wrap ka ng Atomy products, if you have wrapped any Atomy products or kung paano mo pinangririgalo si Atomy, make sure i-post nakapinto sa ating Marinduque Global Center FB page. Make sure i-share niyo yung pictures para naman makakuha ng ideas yung iba. Of course, use the hashtag MGC Atomy Gifts 2024 para naman madali ko kayong makita. I always do my gift giving Rally Anatomy kasi ganyan ako nagsimula. Hindi ko alam kung paano si-share si Atomy. So, noong 2020, December of 2020, I started doing yung gift giving raffle. And then every year, ginagawa ko na yan. Okay. So, ganyan ko ni-wrap dati si Atomy Toothbrush and Toothpaste. So, make sure mag-share lang ng maliit para mas madaling maubos at bumalik sa inyo. Okay. And of course, with Rale Anatomy 101, Rale Anatomy and Marinduque Global Center, ayan, lahat na nag-a-attend ng Zoom ko, of course, you will earn a number and raffle. Nagra-raffle ako niyan. Okay, so on a monthly basis, I give gifts, either PV or an actual gift from Atomy, kung ano man. So congratulations sa lahat ng sumali sa ating gift-giving raffle yesterday. Ayan, yung iba kahit hindi member, kung nag-join kayo at nakinig lang at nakiparticipate, you can actually win a gift, okay? So if you're like Senora Leticia, I did a challenge of 7 Atomy products to learn 7 products in 7 days. What she did is learn a product every day, and she did it for a consistent 30 days with a weekly Zoom with me. O, diba? So, natuto na siya, and then she had won an award as well. Of course, congratulations sa lahat na nag-join. Or you can go crazy, do a 100 gift this Christmas. Ano man ang gusto nyong gawin. There's a lot of ways to do and join the challenges. Marami ding mga Rally Anatomy challenge. Minsan, mag-post ng kulay yellow na product. Puro ganun lang. Madali lang. Sobrang dali lang. Actually, Atom is easy. It's just doing simple things, di ba? Kung nakinig kayo ng Success Academy last time, anong gusto niyo? Magawa ng himo-himo or mag-share ng himo-himo? Mas madali lang yung mag-share, di ba? Things like that. Okay. So, with the marketing plan, it's so easy. To get the cashback, you have to change your mart, you have to change your brand, and you can actually earn commission in doing that in the Atomy system. So, if you get paid of $60 in 1 year, gaano karami yun? O, diba? What if hindi lang 60? Kasi we have actually an opportunity to earn on a daily basis except Sunday. What if in the next 30 years? Atomy can be inherited by your son and children up to the third generation. So, kahit apo pa, pwedeng ipamana. But I bet, kung naiintindihan mo yung Atomy, why maghintay pa hanggang sa ipamana, no? I bet, kapag 18 years old na yung anak mo, make sure you let them join the Atomy system. Kahit ang gawin lang nila at this time is gamitin ng produkto, you will still see the benefit in the future. Potential income in Atomy is $60 per day up to $1,200 on a daily basis except Sunday. Okay, so always aim to be an agent. 300,000 points sa left and 300,000 points sa right side na napakadali kasi unlimited level tayo, you can actually get $60. Okay, nung una as a consumer, happy na ako sa monthly $60. Each time na makakakuha ako at saka yung sponsor ko ng $60, we're jumping for joy. Imagine, may nagbigay sa akin ng $60. But this time, as an auto sales master, with the income of at least $2,000 per month, I can't be happier. So I hope na ma-duplicate ko yung nangyayari sa akin sa lahat ng affiliated ng center at sa lahat ng global atomians na mag-join sa Atomy. Okay. So focus your eyes sa third column. Third column. Kasi the true income in Atomy is actually if you challenge for mastership. So monthly income, like we have here Star Master Joseph. So he's ranging at $20,000 on a monthly basis. So let's say medyo tamad si Star Master Joseph. Maybe he's earning at a $10,000 per month. Imagine, tamad na yun pero may $10,000 pa rin siya. I can't wait to be at his level. Talagang ano yun. Ano ba yan? Nasa full retirement na talaga yon. When I joined the Atomy, in the beginning, nung inaral ko itong marketing plan, sabi ko, well, if I can be on a sales master level, I guess I can truly retire in doing bedside nursing. Imagine 2,000. Yung palang 2,000 dito sa Amerika is actually too small, okay? But imagine kung sa Pilipinas at nasa Pilipinas kami, I think that would be enough, okay? So, anong target mo? Siguro at a Sharon Rose Master, yung $10,000, ayan, medyo mas komportable kasi marami kang kailangang tulungan eh. So, 2,000 may not be enough. As a Auto Diamond Master, 4,000 is just okay. Pero ang maganda kay Atomy, it's giving back 20% of the mastership bonus sa pinakamababa, 10% yung sales master. And then lumiliit habang nagiging imperial master. So this is the fair sharing. Hindi yung mga nauna mas malaki. Although malaki pa rin yung nakukuha nila. I mean, but then, if you're working hard at the very bottom, company will pay you back 10%. O, diba? Auto sales master structure ganito. Dapat you have to challenge. You have to choose 1 to 15 or 16 to the end of the month. Okay. So last period, 16 to the 30th, I have a sales master, and that's sales master Belen. Did I become a sales master as well? Of course, I became a sales master too. So pareho kami na kumita ng almost $1,000 at that period. So imagine if another sales master challenge at the same time, napakaganda. Or if another sales master would like to challenge at the bottom of sales master Belen, it would be the same support. So, mas madali na sana. So, yung ganun kaganda yung ating structure. If your structure is lined up correctly. Kaya pag sinabi ng sponsor na i-follow yung lineage structure, yung binary lineage, kasi mas madali for promotion, make sure you follow that. Kasi sobrang dami kong mali nung nagsisimula kasi hindi ko alam. Okay, to become a sales master, you have to have 2.5 million on the left, on the right. So what if mag-fail ka? Well, the company was very generous kasi I think they started in 2022 na if you fail, kung 1.5 million lang sa left and then sa right side, you have an opportunity to get the semi-sales promotion bonus. So magkano ang sales master bonus? Sales master bonus is roughly between $400 to $450 depending sa palitan ng Korean won to dollars. Okay? Diyan sa Pilipinas, I think umaabot ng 18,000 pesos. So kung semi-sales lang, half of that will be given to you. So yung structure mo as a special agent, kung 1.5 million lang yung points ha, hindi po pesos. Points ang nakuha mo sa left and on sa right side, you can actually get the semi-sales bonus na umaabot ng about $200 here or maybe about 8,000 pesos dyan sa Pilipinas. Okay? Nag-iiba po depende sa palitan ng Korean won. So that's the structure. And we should be grateful that we have this, but the company has to change it. And in the future, semi-sales master will be eliminated. Why? Because the members, instead of trying harder to become an auto sales master, they got lenient na, sige, okay na yan. Hindi na tinatapos. When we are doing a challenge, we have to challenge in 10 days. So if you want to become a semi-sales master, at least every 2 days or every 2 to 3 days, you should be getting at least $60. So to become a semi-sales master, kailangan 5 beses mag-commission ng mag-match 300,000 points sa left and then sa right side. Then you get 5 times commission plus the mastership bonus na semi-sales. So how easy is that? And then kung nag-challenge and hindi ka pa special agent, there's a certain opportunity for you to promote yourself as a special agent and then naduduplicate yung value ng points. And then you also get the semi-sales bonus. Okay? So kung agent ka na ngayon and you keep on challenging as a semi-sales master, so half of the sales master income, you can actually get 20 to 25,000 pesos every 15 days. Ayan. Sa mga baguhan at ngayon pa lang naririnig, siguro malito pa sa inyo. This is actually, pwede tayo mag one-on-one so I can explain to you how you can get that. And actually, with the effort of just sharing a consistent, let's say 5 boxes of Himuhim, you can actually become an auto sales master. Just work closely with your sponsors and with your business partners, and all of you can be successful. And because of the changes that's happening, I would like to emphasize na magbabago yung payment criteria ni Atomy. So starting January 2025, for the year 2025, lahat for that next 12 months, kung ma-achieve mo yung semi-sales mastership mo, so 24 times, the company would pay you 24 times. Okay? Pero kung hindi mo ma-achieve at least a minimum of 12 times, the company would extend another year for you to achieve semi-sales mastership for 12 times. Okay, so starting date is 2025. Kung ma-reach mo 12 times for that particular year, after that, wala nang semi-sales para sa'yo. Sa iba-iba kada tao, okay? Let's say, scenario number 1. So, let's say sa March, kasi ngayon ka magpiprepare, you build your team, you do your binary, mag-consult, magpaturo kay Star Master Joseph, kay Star Master Teresa, at kay DM Raylan kung paano kumita ng 25,000 in a 15-day period. Wow! Let's say March na achieve mo, second period, 16 to the end of the month of that particular year. So kung na-achieve mo siya, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so first time mo ma-achieve, that would be counted as your first month. Company will give you 12 months to achieve 12 times. So maximum 12 times kapag na-achieve mo, then wala na uling tawag dito. Hindi ka na babayaran ng semi-sales, okay? So you don't have any choice but to challenge a sales master. Sample number 2, let's say first time mo ma-achieve on that second half of March. So 2, 4, 6, natapos ang 12 months, hindi mo natapos yung 12 times, then the company will extend another 12 months to finish yung 12 times. So you have up to first half ng 27 na March kasi another year, di ba? But then you achieve it even before the end of the promotion period. So, babayaran ka ni Atomy for that particular achievement ng semi-sales. Let's say, hindi mo na-achieve yung 12 times. So, kung ano lang yung na-achieve mo, yun lang yung babayaran sa'yo. So, I do encourage all the sales master, kung hindi nyo kaya maging consistent na sales master, this is your last chance. 2025 is the year to challenge semi-sales master. Maghanap ng gustong kumita ng 20-25,000 sa left and then sa right side, and you can achieve the auto sales mastership. On a consistent basis, you have to do that. Okay, so kung may tanong po, just message me, okay? Or mamaya sa Zoom, discuss natin. In our mastership promotion, we have only 7 mastership to climb, okay? So sales master yung una, and then nung maging sales master ako, unang-unang time, kasi naka-receive ako ng isang box ng Himuhim, the Fame set, at saka Evening Care 4 set. And then the second mastership is yung Diamond. Of course, I received the same gift, and then meron ng cash bonus, almost 800 pesos. Sa Pilipinas, you get a laptop, okay? Sharon Rose Master, you get a cash bonus of 2,000, and then meron ng travel voucher for 3 nights and 4 days. Star Master, $10,000 bonus, then meron ng travel for 3 nights and 4 days. Royal Master, ayan, lahat na, no? Tapos meron pang vehicles. Mas maganda yung isa may pictures. But these are the different products and travels and car eligibility and then yung sponsorship activity na pwede nyong makuha with Atomy. But our goal should be the Imperial Master. Okay? Imperial Master, you have to produce 2 Crown Masters sa left and sa right. And then you get a bonus of $1 million. May pakotse pa at saka may executive office. Okay. Do you believe na kaya nyo maging Imperial Master? Kaya natin maging Imperial Master. Of course, naka-line up na yan. As long as you follow the system, as long as you follow ang ating Chairman Hangil Park, you will become Imperial Master. So, ang pinakamahirap talagang gawin is yung Sales Master. Once you reach Auto Sales Master, you can say, your job 50% is done. You just have to duplicate yourself and then you'll become Imperial Master. We also have Leaders Club. Yan, yung may mga pin. Okay. I'm part of the Auto Sales Master Club. I achieved that in June of 2022 nung ma-receive ko yung pin na to, itong swan na to. Yung challenge ko, it happened May 1 to 15. So if you're been part of the system, are you even tracking yung mga points nyo, yung group points nyo sa left and sa right? Do you have the notebook to jot down? Ilang points ko last period? Ilang points ko this period? Ilang points ko na today? Kailan ako magko-commission? Okay? It's important for us to look at our app on a daily basis. It will give you inspiration. The first time I had my commission, ang points ko sa kaliwa is 1.5 million. Kailangan ko lang ng 300 to get a commission. Kung trinabaho ko at ginawa ko si Atomy, sana nakalimang commission na ako, no? Pero hindi hinayaan ko. Imagine, 1.5 million is to 300. I still get $60. But I'm still thankful kasi wala namang ibang company dito na namili ka lang ng pang-araw-araw mong gamit na binayaran ka. So, Leaders Club member, Star Master Joseph, Star Master Teresa is now part of this Leaders Club. $100,000 per year. Okay? Royal Leaders Club, si Royal Master Yu Suk Song, she's part of this club. $200,000. So each time I meet them, I would just observe them, how they do it. And it's also basic. It's basic na you have to attend Zoom. Okay, Crown Master Jason Shim, he is at this level, $400,000 in a year. At paano siya nagsimula ng Atomy? At the time, 3 lang ang products na pinupromote nila. Evening Care Set, the Six System, Beauty Care Set, and Himuhim. Is it easier to do the business this time? Or is it harder that during 2009? Kasi nagsimula ang Atomy 2009. In Philippines, 2016. It is much easier to do Atomy at this time kasi ang dami-daming resources. Ang dami-daming tulong. Okay? Imperial Master Club, of course, they have this income. Has it been happening? Yes, we have 13 Imperial Masters at this time on our lineage. And I'm so lucky to meet yung apat. We have 4 Imperial Masters above us. Okay? Etong Imperial Master na to, hindi natin yan kalinya. But he's also, she's an Imperial Master. I met her in Korea. Sponsor number 1, ang kauna-unahang member ni Atomy. Hindi siya ang unang-una naging Imperial, but he became Imperial Master as well. Our Suk Il Kim is our upline. He's an Imperial Master. O, diba? So, if you follow the system, if you attend the success system, you will become successful like them. Paulit-ulit nila sinasabi, write your life scenario, do the 8 core, do the 8 steps to success. So if you guys have been listening and attending the success system, and if you are following whatever they're saying, you will become successful. It is a life-changing just to do a life scenario. Kasi the first time I wrote my life scenario is December 2020. And I never imagined that everything that I have written in that life scenario will come true. O, diba? Sabi ko, magre-retire ako in 3 to 5 years. Oh my God. Retired na yung asawa ko. So, ako na lang. By next year yung Junon. Okay? I said, I'll have a center. I said, I'll have a house. I said, I'll buy a new car. Lahat yun nangyari. The power of you creating your own dreams. Okay? Just believe and it will happen. Make sure you plug into the success system. So the best way is for you to attend success system. So we have 1-day seminar. We have Success Academy. Okay. Royal Master Kim Misuk is also our upline. Okay. I met her a year ago, I think, during our Go 100 challenge sa Atlanta, Georgia. So she's very supportive and she showed us how to share Atomy. Ang technique niya, dalhin yung peeling gel, itry sa kamay, wipe it off, and then put the serum or another cream. They'll be amazed kung ganong karaming dead skin ang matatanggal dun sa iyong kamay. So, yan, tinuro niya yan. So, it's nice to do a Go 100 with your partners and business partners. Share the good news, share Atomy because Atomy is truly a gift and it's truly a blessing. So this coming Success Academy in January 24, 2025, 24 and 25, it will be held sa Mount Makiling Recreation Center. So to any affiliates of Marinduque Global Center or any members under me, kung iba man ang inyong center, if you register under Marinduque Global Center, the center is giving a 500 pesos na support for the first 10 na mag-register. Okay, and I'm doing this differently kasi the last time I sponsored pero binigyan mo na ng libreng attendant o pang-attend but then hindi nag-attend. So this time, you actually have to register. You have to email it sa mgc.atomiph@gmail.com or sa email ng Marinduque Global Center. And then you have to send a proof of attending the event and then you get that 500 pesos refund. Okay? So napakamura na ng Success Academy kasi it would include your food, your lunch, dinner, and breakfast. Okay? And then, may free gifts pa. And then, yung stay nyo sa hotel kasama na. So, sobrang mura na po yan. So, if you wanna do it with your family, with your loved ones, and with your friends, do it and attend Success Academy. Kung hindi naman maka-attend, make sure you watch the YouTube or the Facebook Live. Ayan. Nandyan lang yan sa Atomy Philippines official YouTube channel and then page. So make sure i-subscribe para hindi nyo ma-miss. Okay? I watched both the previous December Success Academy, and I think by far that's the best Success Academy that I have listened for the Atomy Philippines. So congratulations and thank you Atomy Philippines for always improving and giving us a great resource para matutunan si Atomy. Very inspiring and then nakakatuwa yung mga product presentation kasi you get to learn more about the products as you attend this different kind of success system. Ayan. So sana po may natutunan for this particular Zoom meeting. Tuesday Atomy will always be Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Atomy offers absolute quality, absolute price products, absolutely free. Wala pong dapat hinihingi ang member na pera sa inyo. We just need your name, your full address, your birthday, your email, and your phone number to register an account. If you are serious in doing this as a business, you have to verify your account to be a distributor by submitting the picture of the TIN number or your ID sa inyong mismong Atomy website. This is a two-line business with unlimited level. And makinig when I say, go straight and deep. Okay? Huwag niyong i-build ang system or ang Atomy ng inyong anak. Just worry about yourself for this time because as you continue to go down and deep, you are supporting everybody under your team. You have one global ID with your Atomy ID. Right now, we have 27 regions around the globe with 56 total countries that can receive Atomy commission and cashback. 56. Way back in 2019 when I registered, but I start doing the business in 2020 after a year kasi after a year ko pa natutunan si toothpaste and si toothbrush. At that time we only have 13 countries, but this time we have 56. So we will be number one in the future, okay? We are a global distribution hub. Our monthly income ceiling is $100,000 per month, okay? Kaya laging sinasabi ng mga leaders and mga successful business partners, see you at the top kasi you will eventually get there. You just have to change your mindset. You just have to believe that you can also do it. You can actually do it faster than them because they will show you and teach you the rope, okay? And Atomy is an opportunity for you. It's 99% made. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. So kung you decide or mag-change ka ng mindset to do the Atomy, just never give up, okay? Minimum requirement is buy one product per year, to remain active. Just keep doing it, never give up, and all of us will be successful. Okay, let me stop my share. Ayan, sa lahat po na nag-join via Facebook, thank you for watching. And if you guys have any question, please hop into our Zoom meeting. And ano pa? Ayun lang. So sorry, I will end the Facebook Live. And these are the people na nasa Zoom ngayon. You can wave and say hi to everyone before I end the live session. So thank you everyone for watching. See you Monday for the next gift giving raffle. And then of course, Sunday here in US, Monday, I think we'll have North Carolina Global Center Zoom meeting. And every Saturday, Vision to Reality. So make sure mag-attend, of course. And if you want to join Household Gold Global, they also have the every night, every day. Okay, Atomy Mindoro is every Friday, sorry, nalito na eh. Every Saturday, pero 7:30 ang start nila. 7:30 p.m. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you by Zoom if you guys have any question. And then follow Rally Anatomy 101 YouTube channel. And then the Marinduque Global Center FB page. I'll be posting the recording. Okay. Thank you everyone.